How to fix email not receiving emails. So all you have to do is go to your Gmail here. And first things first is, of course, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or internet connection. And then if it's still not working, then you can go here to your three dash line on the left side here and tap on spam. Maybe it's actually on your spam. Now, if you cannot see the email there, then there must be a bug on your Gmail. And to do that is all you have to do is to go here to your settings and then go to general and tap on iPhone storage. The same with the iPhone with Androids. You can actually go to your storage, then find your Gmail there. Now here, and then for Androids, you can clear cache your application, your Gmail. And for iPhones, you can go offload the application, and what it will do is it will actually refresh the application, and you just have to wait to reinstall the application. Now, if you're still not receiving any emails, then all you have to do is you can go to your App Store or your Play Store, depending on what device you have, and then tap their Gmail and make sure that your Gmail application there is updated, because there might be a bug there that needs to be fixed through or by updating the application. Now, if it still doesn't work, then the last option is to actually uninstall the application and then reinstall it again, and then type in your email, and basically that is how you fix email not receiving emails. And basically that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial. Thank you for watching.